Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Telegram feed or just want to leave a channel you no longer need, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to leave a Telegram channel quickly and easily. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Whether you're on Android or iOS, the process is the same, so you don't need to worry about device differences. Once you're in the app, scroll through your chat list and find the channel you want to leave. Tap on the channel chat to open it. At the top of the screen, you'll see the channel's picture or name. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to the channel's information page, where you can see details about the channel and its members. Now look for the three dots icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on these three dots to open a menu with more options. From the menu, select Leave Channel. A confirmation pop-up will appear just to make sure you really want to go. Tap Leave Channel again to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully left the Telegram channel and you won't receive any more updates or notifications from it. If you ever change your mind, you can always search for and rejoin the channel later. And if you're just looking to reduce notifications without leaving, you can mute the channel instead by adjusting the notification settings from the same info page. Keeping your Telegram organized is a great way to stay focused on the channels that matter most to you. Thanks for following along. Now you know exactly how to leave a Telegram channel step by step. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might need it. Have a great day.